Jamaican cornmeal porridge again and again. 2 cups of water. Cinnamon. This is nutmeg. Pinch of salt. Two tablespoons of vanilla. And some mixed spice. I'm gonna put some coconut milk, roughly about 1/4 cans of coconut milk. This is roughly about almost half can, half can. Beautiful. So we're just gonna make it come to the boil, and we're gonna add the cornmeal. So we're gonna put the cornmeal into it now. Give it a lovely whisk. Just when I get it to the boil. Now I'm gonna turn on the stove low. So you see it start to get thick. So we're gonna make that cook for about 15 minutes. It's a little bit too thick, so what we're going to do is add some coconut, some milk in it. So, little bit too thick, so we just use some milk and make it go down, you know? Lovely and nice. Nice. So basically I did a video on the caramel porridge a couple of days ago. But this one going to be with some oats inside of it. All right. I love oats. Still need a little bit more milk. So I'm gonna add a little bit more milk because the oats gonna make it get thick up, you know. So what we're going to do is put some sweet condensed milk in it. Sweeten and taste as it goes along. Beautiful. All I'm going to do is taste it. That is perfect. Honestly, only thing it needs is a little bit more on the egg. And some vanilla. Gonna make a caramel pudding next. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. So let's taste it. Perfect. That is perfect. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. You may see look this way, but I have a little heat on it now. So it's gonna get really thick up. Nice. Beautiful. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe and leave a comment in the description box. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye. Nice. Look at this. That is fantastic and nice. Only thing you need to know is some hard bread and some crackers. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.